So today I'm going to tell you the steps for a crawl space foundation of a house. You can see the picture, it is already done, but I'm going to tell you the steps. So first I will show you what machine is used for digging or for excavation. So this is the machine. So you can see, and now the site is excavated. And the excavated soil is piled up on the site, and the soil should be pretty sandy, otherwise you have to use some sand or crushed rocks. But after that we got rain and snow, so don't do any work in snow. So once the rainwater dries up and snow melts down, you are ready for footing. And now you can see the wooden planks are tied up to pour the cement, and also some horizontal and vertical metal bars for the strength of cement. And after that you have to call for inspection. Once inspection is done, you are ready to pour and put the rebar. Now you can see how easily that is poured. Once the concrete is poured, rebar is fixed, and cement is leveled up. Leave it overnight. Next day, wooden planks are removed, and those wooden planks are just to put the cement in place. This entire work is done by professionals.
Yeah. You know what? I think that guy will, I think the dirt guy will do that. I think he'll run that, he'll run it through and then backfill over it. Or they won't backfill right there, they'll just...
Now our foundation is done, and you can see the concrete, and they have taken out those wood, the frames, and this is all concrete. This is garage and entrance, and these, the metal rod pieces, what we can see, that is protection from the hurricane or strong wind. Do remember, county inspection will be done at every step. porch pillar you are saying? This is porch pillar. And the next step is to install the drain pipe and make a catch basin before the backfilling. And the last step in the foundation work is backfilling. And this is how after foundation is framing. Bye bye.